Hey you guys, this is just going to be a quick video. I wanted to let you know that I will not be able to drop a video today featuring a walkthrough tour of a property that I looked at in the province of Siena. It's a beautiful two-bedroom unit located in a Borgo. It's over 2 levels. It's one of the first properties that I looked at my last trip, and I absolutely love it. But as I just started a new job last week, I have been so focused on getting up to speed at the new company, so I just have not had the chance to do much video editing. And for those who have done video editing, you know how labor intensive it is. So unfortunately, I didn't stick to my goal of posting every Friday, but it will be coming. I wanted to share a sneak peek with you of the properties. So here are some screenshots of that. I also wanted to take this opportunity to let you know that I am planning another trip down to Italy in the upcoming weeks, and I wanted to extend the invitation for you guys to let me know what properties, maybe the properties, but what areas are you looking at? What towns are of interest to you? I have a chance here to learn from your experience or your knowledge, and would definitely consider that in my itinerary. So let me know what areas you're looking at. It should be anywhere between Liguria and the Marche region. Those are the areas that I'm looking at, and areas that are pretty easily accessible for me from Munich. So let me know if you even have specific properties that you think I should take a look at. I would definitely follow up on those and reach out to the agents to see if I could check out those. So I might surprise you and actually feature one of those properties on one of my videos. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video. I hope to be dropping that by next Friday at the latest. I hope you like it. Yeah. Take care. Ciao.